Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over in Ellesmere Park with this absolutely exquisite 4-bedroom semi-detached property. Got beautiful period features throughout, as you can see. Got a lovely large garden to the front, so you are set back from the main road. Property comes complete with 2 reception rooms. You've got a stunning fitted kitchen dining space, as well as a sun-drenched rear garden with gated off-road parking. 4 fabulous bedrooms and a fully converted loft space. But as we come through this impressive entrance hallway, that beautiful stained glass door as we enter in, you've got the main living space, floods of light beaming in through the new windows at the back, overlooking that beautiful rear garden. Traditional features throughout, as I mentioned, these beautiful fireplaces scattered throughout the property. There is the potential, the kitchen is just set back behind this wall here, so some may consider taking out that wall, having this as a kitchen living dining space overlooking the rear garden. And then just across the hall, you've got the formal dining space, which some would consider as their main reception room. Absolutely stunning. Again, scattered throughout the property, you've got these service bells for the servants who would more than likely have lived in the outhouse out the back, and as and when a resident rang the bell, their needs would have been met and the servants would have been made aware with the room detail highlighted above the door there. This beautiful timeless Shake style kitchen. You've got the double ceramic sink there, space for your appliances, hob built into the chimney breast, plenty of space for dining also, and then out onto this beautiful rear garden. Indian stone paved seating, gated access back to the front. This now currently used as storage. Beautiful lawn with the mature gardens built in around. And just at the back here, you can see there is, at one point, will have been a garage of some description, so could easily be put back in. As you can see there, the view looks out into that converted loft space, and there is electric gates offering off-road parking for multiple cars, which is accessed via half-edge lane. Sun-drenched throughout the day here. Really get every last minute of the British summer. Now, as we head up to the first floor, 4 fantastic sized bedrooms, all really generous in size, one of which does come complete with a toilet and sink, and then the family bathroom is directly ahead of us here. Beautiful stained glass windows once again, and then you've got the shower set above that extra large tub there. Lovely and bright with these beautiful sash windows. Directly ahead of us there is then access into the attic. This room now overlooking the front of the property. Really generous double. All of the rooms will easily accommodate a double bed. Detail in the banister. And this is what most would consider the master bedroom, that beautiful bay. And then the toilet and sink just tucked away. Now obviously you could easily create a bigger space there and add in a shower for those that would want a full ensuite. So then continuing down the hallway, smallest room directly ahead of me here, now overlooking the rear garden. Beautiful ceiling heights throughout in this property. And then lastly, what is now currently being used as a master. You can see there's plenty of space around this super king size bed. Floods of light once again, beaming in through that beautiful sash window overlooking the rear garden. Now it's a fabulous family home, well located in regards to both public and prep schools. Fantastically well served in regards to both public transport and motorway links. And you've got just a short walk away all the shops, bars and restaurants that Monson Village has to offer. And you are just a short drive to the Trafford Centre and well accessible to Salford Quays, Media City and also Manchester City Centre. Now if you are considering an upsize and you feel that this could be the property for you, please do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.